Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? It is your girl Andrea Mason, your global voice, your personal accountability coach. As you can see, I don't know if you got a good vantage point, but the clouds are approaching, the temperature is dropping, and I think it's about to have that fluffy four-letter word, S-N-O-W, snow. But all in all, it is good. It's not too bad at the moment. Thank you for joining my channel. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, your global voice under the mentorship and alumna of Dr. Les Brown, having over 2 decades of experience in social work and psychology. Let's jump into it. Today, this video is unique where I want to hear from you. I am so grateful for this channel as it has grown, and your subscriptions, your likes, your donations, contributions, and those who have chosen the path less traveled to walk with me on the life transformational journey called Press Play, where you make your dreams become reality and go from victim to victorious. Thank you so much. I am studying now the science behind social media just to kind of get further and detailed engagement. Why? Because I am all about my audience. I am all about what do you want to hear. As you know, if you've been watching my channel for some time, you know that I am a victim of abuse and bullying. You also know that I'm a certified professional organizer where I manage and make it fun to organize your home, your life, your business, whatever it may be, as well as also having degrees in social work and psychology, interpersonal skills, and the science behind what we do. And I am your personal accountability coach where I bridge the gap from where you are to where you're deserving to be, making your dreams become reality. I want you to comment down below. I have over 850 videos on YouTube now, and my subscriber list is getting higher. But I'm all about my audience. It's not about me in 2023. It's about defining your identity and making your dreams become reality. What would you like me to talk about? Bullying, abuse, professional organizing, accountability, healing power of forgiveness, striving to make your life and enhance the quality of life so you can live your dreams, so you can break from the 9 to 5, so you can break from doing a job you hate, so you can be more with your family and the ones you love. Comment down below. Let me know what you want me to talk about. I have a myriad of playlists at andreamasons.com. I talk about anything and everything authentically and always acting as a woman of integrity. Today's video is about you. What do you want me to discuss? What topic? What question? What would you like to know? What would you like to elaborate on? I am here to make it clear and precise, to help you with strategies, success, health, nutrition, happiness, exercise, motivation, and love unconditionally. How to forgive those people, how to deal with the naysayers in your life, how to put up with the bullies at any age, at any place. You let me know what topic you want me to talk about and what questions you have. Put them in the comments below, and I will select at random the first 3 topics, the first 3 questions. I will create a video and dedicate it to you because it's all about service to others and paying it forward with my knowledge, experience, and love, and ready to walk beside you on your life transformational journey. We live in a crazy game of life, and it's your turn, your time to take the pen in your own hand and choose to press play. Plan life according to you. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out andreamasons.com for more and upcoming announcements and events. And I'll see you in the next video. Be well, my friends.